Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Thursday's Daily Financial Digest. And here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The Bitcoin-dollar pair exploded 2.0% in the last session. The ROC is giving a positive signal. The euro gained 0.6% against the dollar in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a positive signal. The pound-dollar pair gained 0.5% in the last session. The ROC is giving a positive signal, which matches our overall technical analysis. The Aussie-dollar pair exploded 1.0% in the last session. The stochastic indicator's negative signal contradicts our overall technical analysis.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
Apple is said to be in serious talks to broadcast baseball games. A deal will mark its entry into sports, a space very coveted by Amazon. Britain and Oman have agreed to work more closely together to strengthen economic ties and increase high-value investment in areas such as clean energy and technology. El Salvador's president, Nayib Bukele, is probably the only head of state in the world who uses public funds to trade Bitcoin with his phone, and he has probably lost the nation money.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
The U.S. initial jobless claims will be released at 13:30 GMT. The U.S. continuing jobless claims at 13:30 GMT. Japan's machine tool orders at 0600 GMT. The UK's NIESR GDP estimate will be released at 1300 GMT. Japan's producer price index at 2350 GMT. Italy's industrial output at 0900 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Thursday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.